Hi, I'm Isabel Chaves, and I'm a part of the Wide Horizons program, and today we're here to talk to you guys about physical and chemical changes.
Hi, I'm Hannah Pruss, and I'm part of Wide Horizons. I also do cheer at the high school and I dance.
Hi, I'm Chelsea Wineland, and I'm part of the Wide Horizons group. And a fun fact about me is I like to be outdoors and do anything along that line.
Okay, so starting with physical changes are changes in appearance only. So that is when a new substance is not created and chemical bonds are not formed or broken. So like in this picture here, you can see that water is changing to ice. And we have a fun song you guys can listen to help you learn about physical changes.
Physical changes may look different in shape and size. What you start with may look different, but it's still the same inside. Tearing paper, making snowballs, crumbling cookies, carving wood. These are all forms of physical changes, looking different because they should.
So some other examples of this are when you go outside in the sun and your ice cream melts, that is a physical change. Same with slicing bread, because even though you're cutting it, it's still the same thing and you still have bread to make your sandwich. And the last example that I have on this slide is painting walls. So even though you're painting your wall like maybe pink or white or blue, it's still the same wall. So phase changes are also physical changes. Does any of you guys know what a phase change is? You can go ahead and pause the video to think. So a phase change is a change from one state, solid, liquid, or gas, to another without a chemical reaction. So this example shows how ice turns to water and then to water vapor. So solid, liquid, and then gas. Most mixtures are phase changes. So like the example I have here is adding water to sugar, because those can still be separated even though they've been combined.
Chemical changes. So, chemical changes create a new substance. This involves breaking and making new chemical bonds. So, once the cookies have been baked, you cannot remove the ingredients, making it a chemical bond. So, it goes from cookie dough to cookies. And some more examples of chemical changes is wood, and when you light it on fire, it turns into a fire. And cake being mixed into a cake. So cooking the cake mix makes it a cake. And then also an egg being cooked on the stove makes it a cooked egg.
And chemical changes leave clues to help us know when they occur, like burning or fire, light, sound, bubbles, odor, color change. So our review is the clues of chemical changes. Do you guys know what they are? You can go ahead and pause the video and talk to your teacher. So the clues of the chemical changes are fire, light, sound, bubbles, odor, and color change. Now we're going to talk about physical change. Physical change is a change in appearance. And now we're going to talk about chemical change. Chemical change creates a new substance. Now that we know the difference between physical and chemical changes, think of some examples of each and tell your teacher.
Okay guys, that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching and hope you learned about physical and chemical changes.